Hi there. So this is a video about maybe you having issues with accessing Pirate Bay. So let me show you the problem here. You click it and I don't know if you can see it, but it just loads and loads and loads and nothing happens. You can click it as many times as you want. It's not gonna do anything. What you can do then is you can just add a little thing here and you can do Proxy List. And that gets you to this one, the Pirate Bay proxylist.org. And if you click that one, you will get a whole lot of check, because it's trying to find out is it reliable. So you have all of these. You have Swedish, Norwegian, Belgium, I think, Great Britain, Spain, and so this is basically a very easy way to solve it. You just click one, and then you're here. Now, remember, I am not officially endorsing the use of Pirate Bay at all. I'm just saying this is one way to access the page. Who knows, maybe you wanted to make a background check into what these guys do. Maybe you're a police officer trying to catch them. So, good luck with whatever you want to do with it. Bye bye.